Variety means different forms of data. Okay, here this is the one of the most important characteristics. It refers to the different sources of data and their nature. The sources of data has changed over the years. Earlier, it was only available in spreadsheets and databases, but now it is not the thing. Nowadays, data is present in photos, audio files, videos, text files, PDFs. Okay, stickers are available, GIF files are available. Data is available in plenty of formats. Okay, so the variety of data is definitely crucial for its storage and analysis. So here comes the categorization of big data. Okay, so the types of big data. How can you handle the variety of data means by having these types. Okay, first is structured data, second is semi-structured data, and the third one is unstructured data. So a data can be in one among the three types. One is structured, second is semi-structured, and third one is unstructured. So here is the difference between structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. So here in structured data, the data are organized into a formatted repository. The example is relational data. Okay, here in the data will be available in table in rows and columns. This is what is structured. And next is semi-structured. Semi-structured means information that does not reside in the relational database but have some properties. Okay, somehow it will be arranged but not completely exactly fixed to any model. That is what is semi-structured data. The example is XML data. Okay, and third one is the last form is unstructured data. Here you can't find any predefined template, or it will not be available in any predefined manner. Okay, Word document, PDFs, text, media logs, these are all contributing towards the unstructured data. Okay, this is how the unstructured data will looks like. Now I'll show you some examples of the various types of data. So here the data is available, ID and name of three people is available. So here the data is being stored in rows and columns in table. So this is a relational table, right? So this is a structured data. And here the data is available between the taglines. Okay, here you could extract some valuable data, some information you could extract from this, but this type of template differs from person to person, differs from file to file, right? So this is semi-structured. And here the patient came in complaining of chest pain, shortness of breath and headache, smokes 2 packs a day, family history of heart disease, has been experiencing similar symptoms for past 12 hours. These are all the details of patient. Okay, these are all been given. So this need not to be same for person to person, patient to patient, or this is not how each and every doctor documents the patient history. Okay, it differs from patient to patient as well as from doctor to doctor. Okay, so this is unstructured data. Hope you would have understood the difference between structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. And next characteristic is veracity. Okay, this feature of big data is connected to the previous one. Okay, it defines the degree of actually trustworthiness of the data. As most of the data you encounter is unstructured, okay, you will have to know how to filter out the unnecessary information and take over the required thing alone. Okay, and use the rest for processing. How can you extract that information, necessary information? That things we have to know. And the high veracity of data is truly valuable stuff that contributes in a meaningful way to overall results. And the last characteristics is value. So among the characteristics, all the characteristics of big data, value is perhaps the most important. No matter how fast the data is produced or its amount, it has to be reliable and useful. That is the main thing. Otherwise the data is not good enough for processing or analysis. Okay? Data scientists, what they will do is first they will take the raw data, they will convert the raw data into information. This is the step one. Next, this data set is cleaned to retrieve some useful data out of that. This is step two. And next, analysis or pattern identification will be done. Okay, and finally, if the process is success, the data can be considered to be valuable. If not, it will not be considered as valuable data. Okay, it has been found that poor data quality leads to 20% of loss in any company's revenue. Okay, so we could understand how important the value characteristic is. So in this session, we have learnt about the three big data characteristics: variety, veracity, and value. So totally, we have learnt about the five characteristics of or five V's of big data. That is volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. These are the references used for this content preparation. Thank you.